Hi everyone, Assalamu alaikum. I am Saeeda. Welcome to my YouTube channel and thank you so much for subscribing my channel. Hope you all are doing good. Well, in today's video, I am gonna recite a beautiful poem called Splash, which is written by Charles Bukowski. Well, talking about Charles Bukowski, he is an amazing American German poet who was born on August 16 in 1920 and he passed away on March 9 in 1994. Charles Bukowski was not only an outstanding and amazing poet, he was also a renowned novelist, columnist, and short story writer. He had basically touched various social, economic, and cultural issues by the power of his pen. Well, that's a brief introduction of Charles Bukowski. If you want to know more, do search on internet and get a lot of beautiful facts and information about the life of Charles Bukowski. Well, moving toward our poem, as I told you, the title of the poem is Splash. The illusion is that you are simply reading this poem. The reality is that this is more than a poem. This is a beggar's knife. This is a tulip. This is a soldier marching through Madrid. This is you on your deathbed. This is Lipo laughing underground. This is not a goddamned poem. This is a horse asleep. A butterfly in your brain. This is the devil's circus. You are not reading this on a page. The page is reading you. Feel it? It's like a cobra. It's a hungry eagle circling the room. This is not a poem. Poems are dull. They make you sleep. These words force you to a new madness. You have been blessed. You have been pushed into a blinding area of light. The elephant dreams with you now. The curve of space bends and laughs. You can die now. You can die now as people were meant to die. Great, victorious, hearing the music. Hearing the music, being the music. Roaring, roaring, roaring. Well, thank you so much for listening to the poem and I will surely wait for your feedback. Do post your comments below. See you again. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.